Today's business terrain is complex, but managing your business risks doesn't have to be. Cover Buddies is Malaysia's preferred insurance provider. Get that peace of mind knowing that our consultants can help you source and manage your insurance portfolio. For more information, visit our website at www.coverbuddies.com.
And welcome to the latest official Cover Buddies podcast. This is David Teh here. So I want to update you guys on the latest developments because I received a question the other day, and this person was actually asking about what is the best medical card out there. So I just want to actually clarify in this podcast episode that there is no such thing as like the best medical card, because right now I can tell you that the insurers right now, it is so competitive, right? I mean, the general insurers are releasing their standalone medical cards. And then also the life insurers, right? They are also releasing a lot of their medical cards, right? And also their investment-linked policies and so forth. So I shall give the same advice where I give everybody else. If you ask what is the best medical card to get out there, honestly, the best medical insurance is the one that you can afford. Because right now, right, the insurers are basically, they have so many different types of configuration. I mean, I give you an example where the insurers, right, they are evolving over time and they keep coming up with such creative ways, right, to actually try to attract the consumer out there. Medical cards are so affordable. Let's say the standalone ones, right? They cover, let's say, to 70 or 80 years old. And then there's some that actually cover all the way to 100 years old even. I mean, this was like unheard of when, like that 10, 15 years back. So they're getting more creative. And then some of them now, they even offer where, okay, they cover maybe the critical illness part. Or some will say, okay, I've only covered, let's say, maybe the 5 main critical illnesses with cancer included. Then as you move up the ladder, right, there are even more complex medical cards where they cover not like 36 critical illnesses, but like 40 plus, some 50 plus. So I don't think it's actually possible for you to like chase for the best or the top one, because they all start with different tier pricing and so forth. So I think my advice is that you try to choose one that works for you now. So example, where let's say for younger people, where you just came out to work, right? Of course, you need some form of insurance, medical insurance. Then maybe you start with, let's say, a simple standalone medical card, which costs you honestly just maybe a few hundred ringgit, 400-500 ringgit a year, kao tim. As opposed to suddenly you get like a full-blown investment-linked policy, which can cost you, let's say, maybe 200 or 300 ringgit. I'm talking about people who just started work, by the way. So let's say they start at 200 or 300 ringgit a month, okay? So let's say on the higher end, you want all the bells and whistles, it's like 300 ringgit a month. That means, right, it's 3,600 ringgit a year. So that might be a little bit steep for those who have just started work. Or maybe not, I don't know how much they're paying right now as minimum wage. But more importantly, there are a lot of options out there. And you can't really choose, I want the best, which has all the bells and whistles, can, insure me to I'm 100 or I don't know, maybe even 200 years old next time, you never know, right? But I don't think you need to actually chase that at this point. Just choose something that works. There are new ones coming out along the way, then maybe decide from there. So the only thing you need to be careful about is that in the event that you contract, let's say, a critical illness or something very serious, then of course no medical insurer will take you in from then onwards. That is the only real risk that you run into, right? And insurers know that. So for younger people out there, the advantage is that if you are younger, or let's say in your early 20s, your medical insurance is actually quite safe, right? As compared to, let's say, someone older. So this is my tip in today's podcast episode, where for younger people out there, you don't have to worry about getting the best medical card with the best pricing and the best coverage. There is no such thing. Just pick something that works for you and your pocket and your wallet. That's it for now, okay? And then move on with your life. Okay, if you enjoyed listening to today's podcast episode, don't forget to share it and also give us a like. Of course, subscribing would be nice, and I will catch you in the next episode. Ciao.
If you enjoyed our show today, be sure to subscribe and follow us on social media, or sign up for our newsletter through our website at www.coverbuddies.com so you'll get all the good stuff sent directly to you.